made the mistake earlier of spraying his shell, and he didn't appreciate it, so now suddenly the sprayer is his sworn enemy. And I figured I should get video of this, because he barely moves, only if it's for food, but today, he has to do battle today. Well, you were attacking it a second ago. Are you gonna get me again? There he goes. I'll just leave it here just for a minute, just to kind of give you an idea that he's upset with it. It's kind of a good view of him, because with his being stunted, you can see just how big his head is compared to the rest of his body. Alright, I better leave him alone and take this thing out.